Emotions are messages and they're highly ignored, and they shouldn't be, because when feelings are there, they're to be felt. So what ends up happening most of the time is that individuals numb themselves. They don't want to feel whatever it is that is coming up. And so emotions carry a big deal of messages. Some emotions we may talk about that are most common is anger, there is resentment, there is guilt, we have shame, we have worrying. So when you talk about emotions being processed, are they being processed? Are they actually coming to the surface, right? And so when we come to emotions, they're not to be ignored. And emotions carry an energy signature. Emotions as energy, everything happens energy first. So let me give you one example here. Have you ever noticed that there are times when we want to take care of certain conversations or certain things, and you may not say whatever it is you needed to tell the person for whatever reason. Maybe it wasn't the right time, and all of a sudden you end up with neck pain, because guess what, there is an energy signature again that stayed with you, and so you're the one that is holding on to it. Now when you say whatever it is you need to say, that energy is also expelled. Anything really relating to this whole area does deal with obstruction, and obstruction could be on an energetic level. It doesn't always have to be physically. We have situations where individuals are, say, in a relationship and a relationship ends, right? You have a new relationship, fine, but then that relationship doesn't really go well, because guess what, it may be the same situation, it's a different person, but it's actually the same thing, and you're like, why do I keep attracting people like this, or why do I keep bringing up people that have this behavior? Well, guess what, it's because of that energy signature. When individuals have to gather themselves through certain growth, mental stages, emotions come along with it. Why? Because they actually show you as a roadmap. It's more of a feedback, really, of how you're doing. And so let's take grief. Grief occurs from loss. It could be loss from a marriage, loss from bad grades, loss from a job, you name it. But realistically, say we're talking about loss of a relationship, that grief, that sadness really stays with you. And then last times it's also coming with anger. The anger is a motivator actually to power through and do whatever it is we have to do. But if the main frequency is grief, it's really gonna just stagnate. So there's not much that's gonna happen there. That's why you hear certain people say, well, they're gonna be successful. That's how they're gonna get back to whomever it is that may have hurt them, or they're going to turn that anger or whatever it was into a positive force, right? It is transformational. So when it comes to energy, it needs to be processed. Feelings needs to be felt and not numbed out, because that in itself just festers and it sits there and it becomes your main frequency, whereby you are continuing to have the same experiences.